Usually, ang mga hari ay gusto ng power, control, status, honor. Pero si Jesus, naghugas ng paa. Imagine that, the creator of the universe kneeling down like a servant. Sa kingdom ng Diyos kasi, iba ang definition ng greatness. The world says dominate. Jesus says serve. The world says protect your image. Jesus says carry your cross. The world says destroy enemies. Jesus says love your enemies. Kaya minsan uncomfortable ang kingdom of God. Hindi maintindihan ng mga tao ang kingdom of God. Because Jesus changes the definition of power. Real authority is not manipulation. It's sacrifice. Real leadership is not intimidation. It's humility. At minsan gusto natin si Jesus ang king, pero ayaw natin maging servant. Pero tingnan mo, ang image na pinakita ni Jesus is this: towel, basin, dirty feet. At somehow, doon natin nakikita ang puso ng Diyos sa pagsaserve, sa paglilingkod. Kaya, halika na kapatid, come to the kingdom, come to Jesus.